What's new, everyone? It's 707 and I'm here up at Kite Hill again, and we actually got a little bit of wind today, and it's actually coming the proper direction to land on 22 here. 22 takes you down the face of this hill here, and you have to hug it and then basically put down right here. Because it's downhill, you always are going to want to slide off the end of the runway into those pylons over there. So I'm just going to do some takeoffs and landings, and well, hopefully we can make a cool video. All right, see ya. Wow, this is more wind than I've ever been in. Okay, flaps all the way in. Right towards me. Flaring. There we go. That was pretty cool. Flaps off. Lots of wind here. I'm actually giving it quite a bit of throttle right now. Get that thing just staying in the air. Okay, here we go. Throttle off. Throttle on here. Do not want to put it into the weeds. And throttle off and flare. Ooh, there we go. Okay, I'm going to put my flaps off and just take off here. With that headwind, it takes nothing to take off. So. Throttle off, flare. Big dance between the throttle.
Is that a carbon cup?
It is a fun cup by Multiplex.
Yeah. Coming in with full flaps?
Oh yeah, with this headwind. I've never had this much headwind, so it's pretty fun to try and
just float it, almost like land like a copter.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, that was a bounce.
That's kind of a touch and go.
That was a touch and go. Yeah, that's right. I'll take that one. All right, throttle off. Flare. Ah, too much flare.